COVID-19 vaccination is offering a way to transition out of this phase of the pandemic, and the opening of more vaccination sites is essential to improve access. Let me express our sincere and utmost appreciation to Sasol for heading their call to partner with government in encouraging the community to vaccinate. Your support will go a long way toward assisting in achieving a herd immunity, which will then result in the relaxation of social and economic restriction, and thus going back to the normals. Keep up the good work. Indeed, together we can do more.
Being here today, we are not lost. And being us being want to be part of this partnership and this collaboration, it shows that it's a good thing. Sasol is a responsible corporate company which believe in safety and health and safety of the employees, but also all for the communities which are surrounding us. For instance, since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, Sasol has donated personal protection. We have produced and donated more than 1.6 million liters of alcohol-based to frontline workers in hospitals, clinics, schools, police stations, and all different community structures. Today, we are so honored that we have handed over this equipment and resources to the MEC of Health. This is in support of the National Vooma program, but most importantly, in support of the KwaZulu-Natal Siyagoma Waya. Umuntu ngabantu. And as Sasol, we are saying that there is no Sasol without the community. There can never, ever be Sasol without government. There can never be Sasol without government agenda and supporting those agendas which is being done to uplift and develop the communities. That comes to mind and makes me realize that through this partnership, we are in this together for a very long haul.
There is no society in the world, there is no government in the world that is able to develop its people without the private sector. Government, yes, has some resources, but the private sector has a bigger muscle than government. If we were going to be able to work together with the private sector as we are now with Sasol, moving forward and continuously and consistently, service delivery would not necessarily be a huge challenge for the people of South Africa and for the people of KwaZulu-Natal, but the people of South Africa in general. This is a vehicle that you have converted into a mobile unit, but because you understood our needs, Babu Ndebele, right now, it's not just a mobile clinic, but it's a mobile clinic geared up towards being a vaccination site on its own. Now, there's a huge investment that had to go there. Firstly, you had to buy the vehicle, and I know for a fact that converting the vehicle does not cost less than 1.5 million. So the fact that you have gone that far is an indication of your commitment, and is clearly and very appreciated by the people of KwaZulu-Natal, because we are really going to benefit out of this. This partnership should be able to continue, and the donation that you have made, you've not made a donation that is just coming to Ilembe district. The partnership is in relation to us and yourselves in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. The vehicle that Sasol is giving us is a vehicle that we are going to be utilizing for our outreach programs. You have given us 9 fridge freezers. You've given us the vaccine carriers that we need very much, particularly for the mobile teams. You have given us computers. These computers are not just going to be computers that are sitting in offices. Our units that go out, they need to have laptops so that they're able to capture data, and that is what they are going to use them for. We appreciate the work that you have been continuously doing and the contribution that you have been making to the people of KwaZulu-Natal. We say, siyabonga kakhulu, ngathi kunganda nalapha enithathe khona.